For today's entree, we recommend preparing this quick and easy salty cheesecake. Cut up the red onion into tiny bits. Cut up the red, green, and hot peppers. Cut up a knob of garlic into tiny bits. Start mixing the butter until it turns foamy. Add white cheese and mix until you get a foamy consistency. Once the mixing is done, take the mixture and divide equal amounts into 3 different bowls. Add the garlic and green pepper in one of the bowls. Add salt and pepper and mix with a spoon. Add dried crushed red pepper spice to the other bowl. Add the hot green and red pepper. Add salt and mix. Add the red onion and sesame seeds in the third bowl. Add salt and pepper. Mix. Take a large glass bowl and cover it with plastic foil. Add the first mixture with the green pepper. Add the second one with the hot peppers. Top the layers with the final mixture with the red onions. Cover the cake with the plastic foil. Refrigerate for 10 to 15 minutes. Take the plastic foil off the cake. Put the cake on a large plate. Cut up endive leaves and decorate. Decorate with pieces of red peppers, tomatoes, and parsley as well. The estimated time you'd need to prepare the cake is about 30 minutes. Bon appetit!